Hello children, let us say the prayer. Join your hands. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Write cursive B. You learnt A. Now you learn cursive B. This is red line, blue line, second blue line and red line. Okay. Keep your pen on the second blue line. Keep a dot like this. And then you have to go slanting up. Go up and touch the red line. Come back. Come down. Touch the second blue line. And go up and touch this first blue line. Take a curve and write B. Okay. This is how you are going to write. But I will show you step by step. First, what you should write, put a dot here and go till red line. Slanting line, go up. Okay. The second is here, go up and go back and come down. Okay. Third step is go up, come down, touch this second blue line. Then go and touch the first blue line. Okay. Next step is, what is the first line? Go up and touch the red line. Second is come down and touch the second blue line. Then go and touch the first blue line. Take a curve inside and come out. This is the step. See here, slanting line. Then go back and come down till second blue line. Then after coming from second blue line, go and touch the first blue line. Then here, after touching the first blue line, take a curve inside and go out. I'll show you again in the second line here. See here. See here. Go up, come down, touch the down blue line. Go up, touch the up blue line, take a curve inside and go out. This is B. Now, I'll teach you how to write C. Cursive C. See here, slanting line up. Okay. Slanting line up. Again, take a curve here. Slanting line up. Take a curve here. Now what you should do is come back in the same manner. Come down, touch the second blue line and go inside and make a curve. This is C. I'll show you again. If you learn C, most of the letters in the cursive letters, you can write it. This is the basic for all the cursive letters. What is that one? Always you are starting with blue line and blue line here. Here you use red line, but here for C you are using only first blue line and second blue line. Slanting line, take a curve, come back in the same pattern, come down and go here inside. C curve, cat. Okay, once again I'll write slanting line, take a curve, come back and did you notice ma'am did not lift hand? Okay, once again I'll write. See, I have not lifted my hand. See, slanting line, take a curve, come back, down, 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 curve. Okay, this is how you are going to write B and C cursive. Literacy skills. We will do action words. Action words. What is action word? Action words list. Now what ma'am is doing? Ma'am is teaching you. That is also action. Now I am moving my hands. That is also action. Now ma'am is standing here. That is also action. Ma'am is holding pen. That is also action. Okay. If I sit, that called action word. Sit is the action word. Stand is the action word. Walk, see walking, that is also action word. Jump is the action word. Run, action word. Okay children, these are all called action words. The action which we do, which we move and do, those are called action words. Okay children, sitting, standing, moving, running, eating something, coughing, all these are called action words. Okay children. Today we shall learn cursive letter writing B. You have already learnt A. Today we are going to write B. There are 4 lines here. Red line, blue line, second blue line and red line. Now we have to keep our pencil on the second blue line, not the first blue line, second blue line, and go slanting up and touch the red line. Again here I will show you red line, blue line, here second blue line, and this is fourth is red line again. So we are keeping a pencil on the second blue line and we are going up like this and touching the red line. Go up and touch the red line. Here also keep the pencil on the second blue line. Go up and touch the red line. Keep the pencil on the blue line, second blue line, and go up and touch the red line. Similarly, complete this and here also complete this. Now coming to the next line. Red line, blue line and red line. Keep your pencil on the second blue line. Go up slanting like this. Red line, touch the red line and go back and come down. Touch the blue line, second blue line. Go up and touch the first blue line. Again here similarly. Keep your pencil on the second blue line. Go up, touch the red line. Come down and touch the blue line and then touch the first blue line. Complete all this the same pattern. Here I'll show you 4 lines are there. Red line, blue line and red line. Keep your pencil on the second blue line. Go up slanting and touch the red line. Go back and touch the blue line, second blue line. Go up and touch the first blue line. Go inside and take a curve. Again here, second blue line. Go up, touch the red line. Go down, touch the blue line. Go up, touch the first line and go inside. B. Again here, second blue line. Go up, touch the red line. Come down, touch the blue line. Go up, touch the blue line and go inside and make a curve. Complete here also. Now here I'll show you. Keep a pencil on the second blue line. Red line, blue line and then red line. So keep here on the second blue line. Go up, touch the red line. Come down, touch the blue line. Go up, touch the first blue line. Take a curve inside. Keep your pencil on the second blue line. Go up and touch the red line. Take a curve, come down and touch the blue line. Go up and touch the first blue line. Take a curve inside. Here, keep your pencil on the second blue line. Go up, touch the red line. Go inside and come down, touch the blue line. And go up and touch the first blue line and take a curve. Till you finish everything, you should not lift your pencil. You observe, ma'am, now I am not lifting my pencil. Once I start, I complete and only then I lift the pencil. See, I am putting a dot here. Make a slanting, go up, touch the red line, come down, touch the blue line, go up and touch the first blue line, take a curve inside. Again here, go up, touch the red line, come back and touch the blue line and then first blue line and take a curve. Here again, go up, come down, touch the blue line, go up and touch the first blue line, take a curve inside. Similarly, go up, touch the blue line, red line, then come down, touch the blue line, go up and touch the blue line, make a curve inside. The last one in the line, go up, touch the blue line, then red line, down again blue line, then blue line, here first blue line, go inside and take a curve. So this is how you are going to complete all the lines. Now we'll write C, cursive C. This is cursive C. There are 4 lines, red line, blue line and red line. Here we are using only first blue line and second blue line. Keep your pencil on the second blue line and give a slanting line. And touch the first blue line, make a curve. You understood? Go on, touch the second blue line. Keep your pencil on that. Make a slanting. Touch the first blue line and make a curve. Again, I'll show you. Keep your pencil on the second blue line. Make a slanting line. Touch the first blue line. Make a curve. Here again, keep your pencil on the second blue line. Go up slanting. Touch the first blue line. Make a curve inside. Similarly, complete all this. Here again, with the same pattern, we are going to write the C. Here, how you wrote here? Similarly, here, keep your pencil on the second blue line and make a slanting line up the first blue line. Make a curve. After that, come back, come down, touch the blue line. Go inside and make a curve. Again, I'll show you. Slanting line, curve, come back, touch the blue line, go inside. Again here, slanting line, touch the blue line, make a curve, come back, touch the second blue line, curve. I'll show you in this line now. Second blue line, go up, touch the first blue line, make a curve, touch the second blue line and make a curve. C. Here you follow the dots, okay? Go up, touch the first blue line, make a curve. Same, you should not lift your pencil. Do not lift your pencil till you complete. Only after completing you can lift your pencil. I'll show you here. Keep your pencil on the second blue line. Go to the first blue line, make a curve. Come back and touch the second blue line and go inside. Similarly here. Keep your pencil on the second blue line. Go to the first blue line, take a curve and come back here. Similarly here I'll show you now on the plane how to write. Just keep a dot yourself there. Go up to the first blue line. Come back in the same and touch the second blue line and a curve. Keep a pencil here. Keep a dot here. Go up to the first blue line. Take a curve and come back here. Keep a dot here. Slanting line. How you wrote in the first line? Similarly. Slanting line, curve, come back and lift here inside. Do not lift your pencil. Slanting line, give a curve, come in the same line, touch the down blue line. Again, go up, make a curve, come in the same blue line and touch the blue line and make a curve. Okay children, this is how you are going to write the cursive C. Literacy Skill Book, page number 106 and 107 will do. What is that? Action words. See here, as I told you, doing something, that is action word, like sitting, standing, eating, talking, all these are action words. Look at the picture here. You also take out the page 106, 106, 107. In that, see here, what is this girl doing? Eating, E-A-T, eat, I-N-G, eating. That is a action. That child is doing action, some action. So what is the child doing? The child is eating. And they're all sitting here. So what is the action there? They are sitting. Can you see here, old man here? What is he doing? He is W-A-L-K, walk. So he is walking. For the action words, for all the words we add ing, ing. Walking, W-A-L-K, walk, ing, ing, walking. Similarly, E-A-T, eat, ing, ing, eating. Then sit, S-I-T, sit, sitting, S-I-T-T, ing, sitting. Here, next here, can you see the squirrel here? Yes. The squirrel is taking the nut. So that boy is giving. So G-I-V-E, give. Give is also an action. Okay. So that is action word. Give is a action word. G-I-V-E, give. Giving is a G-I-V-I-N-G is a action word. Here this girl is throwing the ball. T-H-R-O-W, throw. T-H-R-O-W, throw. The girl is throwing the ball. Again this girl is there to catch the ball. Okay, that is also called as action word. Next here, the boy is R-U-N, run, running. That boy is running. R-U-N, run is here. If we add ing, ing, running, that becomes action word. Now we shall go to the next page. Here 107 page. Can you see the picture here in your book? Yes. You can keep your book open. Here also you can see these two children are holding the rope and that girl is jumping. That is called skipping. S-K-I-P, skip. Skipping. S-K-I-P, skip. Skipping. See here, this one. Here next, can you see this boy here? What is he doing? He is holding. He is holding the balloon. H-O-L-D, hold. That is a action word. H-O-L-D, hold is a action word. The boy is holding the balloons. Two balloons are there. One is blue and one is pink. Here, this boy, S-L-I-D-E, slide, is an action word. This boy is sliding from there, from the slide, sliding down. S-L-I-D-E, slide. That is a what word? Action word. And this girl, C-L-I-M-B, climb. What is she doing? She is climbing the slide. C-L-I-M-B, climb. She is climbing on the slide through the ladder given there. C-L-I-M-B, climb. C-L-I-M-B, climb. Here, this lady, F-E-E-D, feed. She is feeding the ducks. F-E-E-D, feed. So, feed is also action word. Here, what is the duck doing? Duck is swimming. S-W-I-M, swim. Swim is also action word. So, understood, children? What actions we do, that word is called action word. Here, eat, E-A-T, eat is an action word. S-I-T, sit is an action word. W-A-L-K, walk is an action word. T-H-R-O-W, throw is an action word. G-I-V-E, give is an action word. And here, R-U-N, run is an action word. Here, S-K-I-P, skip is an action word. H-O-L-D, hold is an action word. S-L-I-D-E, slide. Slide is an action word. C-L-I-M-B, climb is an action word. F-E-E-D, feed, action word. S-W-I-M, swim, action word.